Hello everyone, just wanted to give you a very quick interior update on the Sunvisors. So what I've done is I've used some 4mm dowel, as you can see here. It's the wrong colour, but it'll be fine because it'll be kind of hidden by this and the visor itself. Chopped off approximately about 2 inches, so probably around 5 centimetres or so. Pushed back the bit that was protruding on this side. Got the bit out of this side using a combination of a flat bladed screwdriver and some needle nose pliers. Then all I need to do is just tuck this into there, this end into there, and there we have one repaired sun visor. And then that can go back up there, clip into place, and we're good to go. There we go, there's that one done and back in place, and that one, and that looks a lot nicer.